Experiencing endless restarts on your iPhone 15 after updating to iOS 26? You're not alone. This issue, affecting roughly 5 to 12% of users, is often caused by software conflicts stemming from the update. Common symptoms include your iPhone continuously displaying the Apple logo without fully booting. You might also see error messages like unable to activate or sudden app crashes leading to reboots. The good news is that Apple has released patches iOS 26.1, 26.1.1, and 26.1.2 that have resolved the issue for most users. We'll guide you through troubleshooting steps, but remember to back up your data first using iCloud or Finder to prevent data loss. To fix a restart loop, first try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If that doesn't work, ensure all your apps are updated. Outdated apps can conflict with iOS 26, so open the App Store and update everything. If the problem persists, try restoring your iPhone using DFU mode. This is a thorough restore process, but be cautious as it can erase data. If all else fails, contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar for free diagnostics. They may recommend a firmware reflash for persistent issues. These steps should help resolve the restart loop. Apple's updates have fixed many issues, but professional help may be needed for complex cases.